Hi, this is Simon. Welcome to my channel. Let's solve more problems and solve for x. So today's question is an inequality question. All right, so let's see what is the answer to this problem. All right. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to distribute into the bracket. For example, in this way. Okay, we're going to multiply that first. X times 3x gives us 3x squared, and we have x times 5 that is plus 5x. Okay, and then we're going to distribute that to that. Negative 3 times 3x results into 9x. Okay, negative 3 times 5, that is negative 15. Okay, greater x minus a 3. So right now we're going to arrange this. Okay, put it into the standard form of a quadratic equation. 3x squared plus 5x minus x minus we're gonna subtract x minus 3, okay, on both sides. So we're gonna have on the left hand side we're gonna have minus x minus 15 plus a 3 is greater a 0. Okay, so let's add the like terms. Okay, 3x squared, from this we get a negative 5x, and from this we get minus 12 is greater 0. All right, so when we reach to this far, it's either because this is a perfect standard form of a quadratic equation, so it's either we factorize if we have the factors, or we use the quadratic formula if we don't have. So we will try to factorize because we have the factors to this equation. All right, so this is how we do it. All right, so we're going to factorize 3x squared by writing 3x and x on the other side. Okay, so we're going to factorize the 12. All right, 5x minus 12. So the idea is, when you factorize, okay, is when you multiply what you are factorizing, it should result on the above equation. All right, so when we factorize these, it should lead us back to this equation when we multiply. So that is the idea. Okay, so the factors of 12 is 12 and 1, 4 and 3, and 6 and 2. So I'm going to try 4 and a 3. Okay, putting the plus on the 4 and the negative on the 3, because this sign tells us that the sign should be different. Okay, they should be different. This is kind of different from the previous kind of questions of quadratic equation that I solved, because a is greater than 1, which is 3. Okay, so if a is not 1, then there could be changes on the sign, on whether which one take which number takes on the middle sign of the quadratic equation. All right, so you should notice that. Now let's proceed with the problem. Right now we are going to, because this is an inequality, all right, from what we can see, let's try using the okay, let's try using the let's try using what do I want to say? It's okay. Let's try what is it that I want to do? It's like I don't know what to do anymore. All right, so let's try using this. Is what I wanted to say. Let's try because this is an inequality, but we are going to look out for the critical. Okay, critical values. Okay, critical values. We're going to use the critical values, so we're gonna use the equal sign in this case. Okay, 3x plus a4 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to a0. All right, so 3x, okay, is equal to -4. We divide all of this by a 3, or x is equal to a 3. All right, let's make some space. All right, so here we go. We're gonna divide that 3 with that 3, and the answer is equal to -4 over 3. Or yeah, already we have on the other side. So this is the critical values. When we compare the two numbers 3 and -4/3, we can see there is a difference there. Okay, so from now on we're gonna remove the equal sign. Okay, remove the equal sign because we can compare these two numbers, so it's clear to us how we are going to substitute or put the signs that we need to put. Okay, so we're going to put greater for 3, okay, and the other opposite for -4/3. All right, so how do we put these answers, right, in an interval form? Because it's very important to know how to put this. All right, so for this we're going to use this is form, because x is less than on -4/3. X is not -4/3, but it's less than, so it's from -infinity, all right, to -4/3. Okay, so we are using the round brackets or the parentheses because nothing here is included. Okay, so because it's all, we're gonna use the union symbol. All right, we are using the union symbol. Okay, it's pretty much okay. We are going to write 3 to positive infinity, to positive infinity, so this is the answer written in an interval format, right? On an interval format. So we're gonna continue putting this on our number line. Okay, remember there are other numbers as well, but I'm just gonna use these two numbers from our answers. Okay, so we're gonna use circles, round circles, not shaded, open circles. Right, we know that is x is greater, so it's increase, greater is less than. Okay, so this is the whole answer to this question. All right, so if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and share with your friend, and this could be helpful to you so that every time I upload a new video, you get updated. Thank you.